Hey, I'm Yuri Hauswald. I'm returning for my 7th Dirty Kanza. I was lucky enough to win it in 2015, and if you are gravel curious, I have some tips and tricks for you. My favorite thing about the Dirty Kanza is definitely the gravel family. Midwestern hospitality is real, and its embrace is warm. If you're training for Dirty Kanza, my suggestion is to log lots of miles and to dial in your nutrition plan. The key to staying safe at Dirty Kanza is to make sure you don't overlap wheels when you're in a pace line flying along the gravel roads. Dude, I was just getting into the field with you.
You did fantastic.
Dude. The tires you definitely want to run for Dirty Kanza are WTB Nano 40s. I've made it through 2 years of Dirty Kanza with no flats, and I just jinxed myself by saying that. Bummer. One thing you shouldn't weigh yourself down with at Dirty Kanza is extra gear, because you can always pick stuff up at the aid stations. As far as navigation goes, I make sure I download the courses ahead of time on my Garmin Edge. The Garmin device I plan on using for the Dirty Kanza is the Edge 830 because of Climb Pro, which allows me to meter my efforts on the rollers here in the Flint Hills. What's the question again? To maximize battery life in your Garmin Edge device, I recommend disconnecting any unneeded sensors, dimming your backlight, and putting it in battery save mode. Trash! Let me think about that for a second. The outtakes are gonna be really good on this. To make sure I stay hydrated during the Dirty Kanza, I always wear my Camelback chase vest because it has 50 ounces of fluids and it allows me to stow all of my nutrition right on my chest. As far as hydration and nutrition goes for the Dirty Kanza, if you're not comfortable riding by feel, you can set hydration and nutrition alerts on your Garmin Edge device. The most underrated thing you most definitely need to carry for the Dirty Kanza is a mud stick, because it will allow you to clean off your rims and clean your brake bosses when they're plugged with prairie peanut butter. Yeah, I'm blowing your volume levels out the window. Okay, yeah. Ha! My best tip for handling the course conditions here in the Flint Hills, which we just lost our light. Blew up my rhythm there. All right, try that again. The day before the race, you want to make sure you do a few things. You want to make sure you hydrate, you eat well, you mitigate your stress, and you lay out your gear the night before. If you're riding Dirty Kanza, the #1 thing you need to know is that you're gonna have highs and lows, and neither will last, and you're gonna push through both of them, and you will definitely finish.
If it's raining, you want to make sure you wear.
If it's raining, you want to make sure you wear a rain jacket.
I like that.